Morning. So I noticed something really interesting about my loofah vine. You can't even tell from the outside. Outside looks amazing, but something really interesting happens in the shade underneath the trellis. So I'm gonna show you that in this video. So we've all heard the parable of the unprofitable servant. So guess what happens when a leaf stops being profitable to the plant? All these brown leaves, they stopped being profitable to the plant because they weren't harvesting sunlight. And the moment they stopped harvesting sunlight, the plant decided they weren't profitable. And so the plant cut them off from receiving nutrients from the root. So all the leaves that are in the shade were sacrificed. They were let go. They were fired. They were terminated because they weren't profitable to the plant. They were unprofitable servants. The leaves that were profitable were connected to stems that were connected to flowers that were permitted to be fruitful, to create seeds, to spread out the species. These are all the profitable leaves. Profitable leaves are given the lion's share of the nutrients of the plant.